Hello, all. My name is Krish Nayak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, a very important message that I really want to give in this specific video. All of you, right? All of you, I have seen many people out there who are learning from me, who are learning from somewhere else. They put a lot of efforts, a lot of dedication, a lot of energy, a lot of money to get upskilled, to always stay relevant in the market. And why do you do that? Yes, they should be able to get good hikes, they should be able to make amazing career transitions, they should be able to do amazing things in their life, right, at the end of the day. So they're putting a lot of dedication, they're putting a lot of energy, and those kind of efforts should definitely not go in vain, right? And the thing that you are actually doing is always right, because you are staying up to date in the market. With respect to the market, you are always looking for opportunities, and you're thinking that how you can apply those skill sets in your company also, right? That is the kind of efforts that you are actually already doing it, right? And what I've currently seen in the market, right, whenever I talk about edtech companies, people have different perspective, right? Different perspective. Some may think that, hey, edtech companies are not that good. Some people will say definitely edtechs are very good, right? I've seen, a mixed mindset. But let me tell you, edtech companies they play a very important role, specifically in this particular tech industry, right? If you take my as an example, for past 5 to 6 years, I'm already in this particular field. I'm also parallelly doing product development and all, but we are definitely helping many people to make amazing tech career transitions, right? But nowadays, that I probably see in the market, lot of advertisements. Hey, become an AI expert in this and that. Hey, do this, you'll get this package, that package, you know, and this kind of things, definitely creates a very bad mark, specifically with respect to the edtech companies. And it always creates a bad mark with respect to those instructors, those companies who are trying to really do well with respect to affordability, with respect to providing the right kind of education to all the people out there. As you all know, obviously, you can see that, right? In college days, if you still go to colleges, the syllabus are not up to date with respect to the market. It is really, really outdated. And these edtech companies are helping people to always stay relevant with respect to the market. So they are definitely doing that thing, right? But again, there are some things that will always hamper this kind of work also. You'll be seeing a lot of advertisements, you'll be seeing this, that, hey, become millionaire, do this, in 3 months you'll become this in AI, that field, right? So it is a moral responsibility of every one of you to understand where to learn things from. I'm not saying that, hey, learn from me or learn from anyone else. Learn from those people, learn from those companies who have really done well in this specific field. Let's say if you want to learn about AI, or you want to learn about web development, you want to learn about generative AI, you want to learn about system design, you want to learn about DSA. Always look for the right kind of instructors. Now, what you will see in those instructors, what you'll be seeing in those companies, there are some 2 to 3 points that I will focus on, right? See what kind of experience they have, right? If you see that, hey, somebody has just a 1 year of experience and you suddenly go and learn from him or her, I think that is a bad example. Okay. If you try to see some of the instructors who have already started the edtech, they have spent 10 to 12 years of experience in development and building products. Those are the kind of people that you should really focus on, right? At the end of the day, you are definitely going to get a lot of experience out of their learnings. It is very simple, guys. Yes, some people may not like what I am actually saying. The reason why I'm making this particular video, because I want to make sure that the edtech relevance is still there for the next 50 to 100 years, because they definitely play a very important role. Everyone that I have actually, at least in my case, I've seen many people making amazing career transitions. They're working in beautiful MNC companies, they are earning huge handsome salaries, and that was only possible since we were able to do all those work. I've also seen some of my friends, some of my fellow YouTuber friends, they have spent good years of experience building some products, and they have actually started teaching, and that too not very high in the affordable section, right? And they are doing really, really well. They are able to make amazing career transition for all the people out there. People are also able to find out how relevant those things are, and this needs to definitely be derived by you all. I'm not saying that hey, you should not start a tech company or you should not teach, right? I'm saying everybody can teach, but before that, specifically in the tech field, have some good number of experience out there, and you really need to do that kind of research if you really want to get upskilled, right? Things are getting changed in such a way that, now everybody, now what I see in the advertisements and all, right, many people will say hey, they talk like they are they are much more better than the researchers or scientists that are available out there, in the industry, who have specifically made a good mark, better than the godfather of AI, Jeffrey Hinton, Mr. Jeffrey Hinton, right? They talk in that specific way, like they know each and everything. Even I don't know each and everything, even though I've spent around 10 to 12 years of experience in this field, specifically in the AI field. So you should do that due diligence. Don't make this market to be much more cluttered. Try to support the right kind of people, right kind of companies, because that is how you will be able to take this market to a longer term, right? And this message is for every one of you out there. Please do your proper, thorough due diligence if you're investing money in a right kind of way, learning things from right people, and learning in a right way based on the experience that they have, building something. Because at the end of the day, you are investing so much of time, so much of energy. If you don't learn in a proper way, then I think it will be not of that use, right? So I hope you like this particular video. This is just a message to every one of you out there. Please make sure to share with all your friends and family members. This was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.